For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a medical billing business can be a profitable and flexible venture, especially with the increasing demand for outsourced billing services among healthcare providers. By integrating free AI tools into your business model from the start, you could drastically reduce startup costs, automate time-consuming processes, and operate more efficiently. This guide provides a step-by-step walkthrough on how to launch your own medical billing business using free AI tools. Step 1. Understand the industry and define your niche. Before diving in, it's critical to understand what medical billing entails. This includes processing insurance claims, tracking patient invoices, and following up on payments. Medical billing businesses must comply with HIPAA regulations and be familiar with insurance codes like ICD, TIN, CPT, and HCPCS. Use ChatGPT to gain a foundational understanding. Prompt: explain medical billing basics, including the typical services offered, compliance requirements, and common software used. Based on your findings, define your niche. Will you specialize in small private practices, chiropractors, mental health clinics, or something else? Step 2. Create a business plan with AI assistance. A strong business plan outlines your mission, market analysis, services, pricing, and financial projections. You can use ChatGPT to generate a professional plan. Prompt: write a business plan for a startup medical billing business targeting small clinics, including a service summary, competitive analysis, and 12-month financial projection. Google Docs or Notion can be used to format and revise your business plan collaboratively and for free. Step 3. Choose a business name and register your entity. Select a business name that reflects professionalism and trust. You can use Namelix, free AI-powered business name generator, to brainstorm names. Prompt in Namelix: generate professional business names for a medical billing startup serving mental health clinics. Once you have your name, check domain availability using Namecheap or GoDaddy and register your LLC or corporation through your state's website. You can use ChatGPT to help draft articles of incorporation or operating agreements. Prompt: create a simple operating agreement for a single-member LLC medical billing business. Step 4. Learn medical billing software and procedures. While you don't need to be a coder, you must understand how billing software works. Free tools like YouTube and Coursera offer courses in medical billing. Use ChatGPT to summarize technical resources. Prompt: summarize a beginner's course on medical billing and coding, including HIPAA compliance and software overview. Some AI-based free tools like ChatPDF can be used to upload payer documentation or compliance PDFs and query them quickly for reference. Step 5. Set up your tech stack and AI workflow. You'll need a computer, secure internet, and HIPAA-compliant communication methods. Integrate free AI tools to save time. Use Google Workspace for email, docs, sheets, and calendar. Use Notion AI for task tracking, SOP creation, and documentation. Use ChatGPT to help write standard operating procedures, SOPs, like this prompt. Write a step-by-step SOP for submitting a health insurance claim for a small outpatient clinic. Use Tactic Chrome extension for AI-powered meeting transcription if you have virtual meetings with clients. Use Zapier's free plan to automate basic tasks such as sending reminders or updating spreadsheets when claims are submitted. Step 6. Build a marketing strategy using AI. You'll need to reach medical professionals and convince them to outsource billing to you. ChatGPT can help you generate a strategy. Prompt: create a marketing plan for a medical billing business targeting independent clinics with no in-house billing. Use Canva's free AI tools to design marketing materials like brochures, email headers, and LinkedIn banners. For your website, use a free platform like Card or Google Sites and ask ChatGPT. Write professional website copy for the homepage of a medical billing service targeting solo practitioners. Include a call to action, testimonials, reel, or placeholders, and a contact form. Step 7. Create contracts and pricing models. You'll need professional service agreements and pricing tiers. Use ChatGPT to help create these documents. Prompt: draft a basic service agreement for medical billing services, including scope, confidentiality, and payment terms. Make sure to adjust it to align with HIPAA and consult a legal advisor before using the document. For pricing, offer per claim, percentage of revenue, or monthly retainer models. Prompt: compare common pricing models for medical billing services and recommend one for a startup business targeting small clinics. Step 8. Find your first clients. Start with your personal network or local outreach. Use LinkedIn's free features to message healthcare providers or join medical office manager groups. Post content regularly to show authority. Use ChatGPT to write messages and posts. Prompt: write a LinkedIn message introducing my medical billing service to a solo practitioner. Also try cold emailing using a free tool like Gmass, limited free version. Use ChatGPT for email creation. Prompt: create a cold email introducing a HIPAA-compliant medical billing service to a small clinic. Step 9. Practice on sample claims before going live. Before handling real client work, practice with de-identified data. Look for sample CMS, 1,500 forms, or dummy EHR data online. Use ChatGPT to quiz you on scenarios. Prompt: simulate a medical billing quiz with 10 questions covering claim submission, denial follow-up, and CPT code entry. This builds confidence and minimizes errors when working with real clients. Step 10. Scale and automate with AI. Once you have a few clients, focus on automation. Use free tiers of AI-powered tools like Trello with Butler, task automation, Zapier, integration, and Notion AI to scale efficiently. Prompt ChatGPT: suggest 5 automation workflows for a medical billing business using Zapier, Notion, and Google Sheets. Use ChatGPT to assist with monthly reporting to clients. Prompt: write a summary report for a client showing total claims submitted, approved, denied, and collected revenue for the month. Conclusion: starting a medical billing business no longer requires large investments or specialized software from day one. With free AI tools like ChatGPT, Notion AI, Namelix, Canva, and Zapier, you can research, plan, market, and operate efficiently from startup through scaling. The key is combining your industry knowledge with smart automation and consistent outreach. With this approach, you can enter the medical billing space confidently, professionally, and cost-effectively. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.